My name is Lara Prospero. I'm the Director of Learning and Development Delivery Excellence team at Microsoft. I've been working remote for over 8 years right now, so remote became my lifestyle. When I thought that everything on working remote was covered and no big challenges were coming ahead, I got a new task. You need to hire a team geographically dispersed in 6 different countries. That happened just in 2020, where we were in the middle of a COVID crisis and everything was locked. So I had to run all the interviews, I had to run all the hiring process remotely. It was the first time that I haven't done it, and it was really, really challenging at the time. And I must confess that I feared for the success of this team. 2 years later, the 6 magicians that started the team with me, they're still together, they're still with us, and we added some other new team members in different countries. So I would love one day to have the chance to meet them face to face. So, we haven't met yet, but we do have a great team spirit, we do engage, we do have fun, and performance-wise, we are a very good team. So I have no doubt that it's possible to work fully remote and still to have an impact and to make the difference. But talking about face-to-face, I'd like to invite you to the next Running Remote conference that will take place in April 2023. It will happen in the beautiful city of Lisbon, my hometown, and I hope to see you there to talk about flexibility in hybrid organizations. Thank you. See you there.